think you fixed it, Murphy. I think you turned it into a wind machine.
Hang on! Oops. But wait. All this wind and your straw. I feel a monster make coming on. Monster making is my absolute most favourite thing ever. And this makes me feel like doing a mega monster make!
Let's see what's on the
Recycling
Express. Ooh, I can't wait.
Me too. What can it be?
More paper straws.
That has given me a mega monster idea! Straws are awesome! It's time to make a straw sailboat.
As well as these paper straws, we'll need a cardboard box, coloured card, paper and old bottle lids.
Let's start by making some holes.
Use a pencil to carefully make 2 holes in the box, like this.
You'll need modelling clay to make the next holes.
Put this under the scrap of paper and use your pencil to carefully poke holes at each end of the piece of paper.
Hey, 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 hey!
We will use these later.
Now we can make the sides of the boat.
We'll need a long strip of card like this.
Foldy, foldy, fold.
Yep, fold it in half.
Now draw a happy smile. Time for some monster cutting.
Remember, ask a grown-up to help you when using scissors. Now unfold the card and stick it to the box that we made holes in earlier.
1 box ready for our boat.
Make sure the holes are on top.
Ooh, it's starting to look like a boat now.
Almost, but it needs some decoration.
Ooh, I think we need a little help. Ooh. Ooh.
It's the tiny helpers.
Oh!
They've decorated the sides with colourful paper and bottle lids and painted the top of the box. Thanks, tiny helpers.
Thank you. Bye.
Now all we need to do is make the sails. Slide the straws through the holes in the paper that we made earlier.
Slidey, slidey, slidey.
Push them into the box and ta-da! Our boat has got sails. 1 straw sailboat all finished. And you can make one too.
Looking ship shape. It's about to head off on a terrific travelling adventure. Ooh, room for a little one. We need some wind, please, Rebecca.
Hold on tight. There's a storm coming. Oops, maybe a bit too much.
That has given me a mega monster idea. Small bottles are brilliant. You can juggle them, knock them down like bowling pins, or even use them as a whooshy rocket. 3, 2, 1, blast off! This bottle is going to help us make a snack tube train. Toot toot!
As well as this small bottle, we'll need an empty snack tube, recycle boxes, card and paint.
Let's get this make on track.
First, we need to arrange all the bits of recycling to make the train's engine. Put the snack tube long ways and put the bottle on top. This will be the train's funnel, where the smoke comes out of.
Toot toot!
Now I'm putting a thin box and a long box under the tube for the bottom of the train and a square box at the end.
Now that is looking like a train.
Let's stick it all together.
Oh, is it time to paint?
Let's do it. We're painting our train with red and blue paint. with some yellow details. But you can paint it any colour.
Oh, painty, painty!
While this is drying, we're going to need to make some wheels. Take the card and draw around the bottom of a paper cup to make 8 circles.
Time for some monster cutting with Monster Magic!
Thanks, Murphy. And remember, always ask a grown-up for help when using scissors. Let's glue on the train's wheels.
Sticky, sticky!
Space the wheels out evenly, like this. Our snack tube train is almost finished. It just needs some final details.
Ooh, I think we need a little help. Ooh. Ooh.
It's the tiny helpers. They've added the wheel details and a door. Thanks, tiny helpers.
Thank you. Bye.
One tube train ready to roll. And you can make one too. All aboard!
Choo-choo! Our choo-choo tube train is monster-tastic. What could it be?
Cotton wool?
Ooh, that has given me a mega monster idea! Cotton wool is woolly great! You can use it to make a beard, or it can be a sheep. Brilliant! Or it can be a fluffy cloud. But this cotton wool is going to help us make a rocket.
So, as well as this cotton wool, we'll need a long cardboard tube, 3 smaller tubes, coloured paper and paper strips, stickers and paint.
I love, love, love rockets. They're monster whooshy-tastic.
Let's get our rocket set for takeoff. Let's paint the long tube a purple colour, or you could paint it any colour you want.
I love, love, love painting.
Paint the 3 smaller tubes too.
We're painting ours blue. Painty, painty, monster painty. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Ba-dum, bum, bum.
Leave them to dry, and while we wait, we can start drawing. Draw a circle on some yellow, green and blue paper, using a glue stick or something else that's round. And now let's draw some stars on yellow paper too.
Super sparkly, starry, starry.
Then draw half a circle using a plate like this. Murphy, we need to do some monster magic to cut these out, please.
Of course.
Remember to ask a grown-up for help when using scissors.
What's next?
It's time to make a cone.
I love, love, love cones.
First, add plenty of glue to the half circle, then twist and stick it into a cone shape.
Twisty, twisty, monster twisty. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum.
Then take some long, colourful paper strips and glue and wrap them around the long tube.
Hey, 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 hey.
Now stick the circles and stars on.
Ooh, I think we need a little help. Ooh. Ooh.
It's the tiny helpers.
Ooh.
They've added our circles for windows and the stars for decoration. Thanks, tiny helpers.
Bye-bye.
Now let's stick all the tubes together.
Hey, 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 it's sticky, sticky glue time.
Stick the 3 short tubes around the long tube and stick the cone on top. Let's pop some stickers on the windows.
Pop, pop, pop.
And if you don't have stickers, you can draw details instead. And finally, tuck the cotton wool into the tubes around the base. One rocket ready to blast off into space. And you can make one too.
3, 2, 1. We have liftoff!
Woohoo! I've really enjoyed our spacey adventure, Murphy.
Wait, look over there.
What did they say?
They said they saw our rocket and they came down to say hi, I think.
Take a look around you at home. I bet there's so much stuff that you can recycle and reuse to make something seriously cool. Now, where's my monster friend Murphy?
Hey, that gives me a monster idea.
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making. Hi!
It's a box submarine. For this we'll need a box, a small paper cup, paper straw pieces, coloured card, stickers and paint. Turn the paper cup upside down and ask a grown-up to help you make a hole in the bottom with a pencil. And now we can stick this to the top of a box.
Sticky, sticky, stick, stick.
Once that's dried, we can paint everything bright yellow.
I love, love, love painting. Hey, 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 hey!
While that dries, we need some red card. Let's draw around a paper cup to make a circle. On dark blue card, draw a rectangle with a line through the middle. On some blue card, draw a wiggly line across the top edge. This will be the water line above our submarine.
Now for some monster cutting magic.
Remember, ask a grown-up for help when you're using scissors.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Now take a piece of the paper straw and bend it. This will be our submarine's periscope. We can push this into the hole in the cup that we made earlier. Take the other piece of straw, give it a few folds, and glue it to the end of the box like this.
Sticky, sticky, stick, stick.
Now we can stick our submarine to the wiggly blue card. Make sure the periscope sticks up above the waterline. We need to glue on the red circle and the blue strips of card. And finally add stickers for details. There we have it, one brilliant box submarine all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Hey, that gives me a monster idea.
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making. Hi!
It's an ice cream truck. As well as a box with a window in it, we'll need a rectangular box, lolly sticks, a long thin box, old clean lids, coloured card, stickers and paint.
I love, love, love trucks.
Paint the box with the window and the rectangular box any colour you like.
Painty, painty, monster painty.
And we painted the inside of the box.
I love, love, love painting.
Well, that's good because we have to paint the long thin box and the lolly sticks.
Boom, 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 boom.
These lids will be the truck's headlights.
Painty, painty, monster painty. Boom, 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 boom.
Now let's leave everything to dry. We can use this green piece of paper for a background.
Now it's dry, let's stick on the box with the window.
And the rectangular box underneath that.
Then glue on the long thin box at the bottom.
Stick on the lolly sticks. Add the lid headlights.
Sticky, sticky, monster sticky.
Roll the tyres into a loop and glue them to the bottom of the box. Now let's stick our ice cream on top. We need to add some decorations. Let's add some stickers for the eyes. And for a mouth. One brilliant box ice cream truck all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
See you next time!